गव्हर्नमेंट घेतो रे हां पण ही अरे आणि महानगर कसे होतो
Today, all over India, especially in the coastal belts of India, the western portion of India, we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. And on this auspicious day, I would like to wish all the people of India and Goa a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. On this auspicious day, also, all the people from different communities, they visit all the Hindu brothers and sisters in their houses to wish them. I have come all the way from Kalangut to Sakle to wish our dear friend over here, Sagarji, on this auspicious occasion of Lord Ganesha Chaturthi. Happy Chaturthi to him, to his family. And this communal harmony is going on in Goa for the last so many 500 years, more than that. And this tradition and our culture, which is rich, this is where Goa is very famous for, is going on for so many years, and we should take it forward and see that this the harmony between the two religions, they continue like this only, and we strengthen the bonds of communal harmony in Goa.